Victor's improvement for the week was reorganizing his hinge plates in this handy little box. Nice work. JP's improvement was a cover for the keyboard, as the keyboard was getting pretty dusty. Andy, what's your improvement for the week?
That's our improvement. When we take the wrap, we need some small piece. We don't need a knife. Come here.
Nice.
Ready to go. It's safe. It's covered.
Nice work. Rick's improvement was fixing this lift-up table that was in the process of breaking. He replaced the bolts with ones that were twice as large, because these were the bolts that we took out of the unit. Kind of messed up.
My name is Rodrigo. I want to share improvement. One of our improvements that we did this week. After we disassembled the table that was here, there was a huge table here where the computer was attached, and we organized all of the cables here. And also on the table there was a drill that we usually use to make easier to screw on the cabinets. And then I moved the drill to this compartment here, so it's easier to take and use than just give back here. It's not on the way, so anybody will hit here. So that's it.
One improvement from the office was a procedure on how to add backscribes to cabinets. This is not something we have built into Almoxy yet, so yeah, something we have to do manually. Great work. What's your improvement, EJ?
Oh, this is my improvement.
What's this?
So this is a flowchart of how to prepare panels.
Awesome.
And like how to, in what circumstances do you put corners? What circumstances do you put it with cardboard?
Awesome, that's great.
I was getting kind of confused with all of the different rules.
Yeah.
Because like if it's not palletized, then you have to do a different thing, and if it's palletized, so I thought I might as well put it in a flowchart. So
That's
then
amazing.
you can follow it. Yeah.
Nice work. Okay, Brad, what's your improvement for the week?
Okay, my improvement is we used to label our edge tape before. It took us a little while. You'd have to get a Sharpie, do all your writing. Now we have this. So in order to keep the edge tape together, you just simply clip that on.
Love it.
Put it away.
Nice work. Great improvement.
In this improvement, I'm showing the removal of the pre-filter that goes between the pump and the paint gun for cleaning purposes. And as you can see, there is a small amount of fluid that comes out, creating a mess on the floor. And because of that, I have to clean everything, and it takes time. And so I don't like to do that anymore, so I decided to do something about that. So I made this magnetized container that is going to help me collect whatever comes out, and I don't have to worry about cleaning ever again.